am Jasraj. As we all know, capacitive touch sensing applications are finding their ways very fastly into all the segments. This is just because the inherent problems we are facing with mechanical switches and of course the sophisticatedness which is offered by the capacitive touch buttons. These capacitive touch sensing can be in form of touch buttons, can be in form of sliders, can be a rotating wheels, something like that. Now where you can find these? So these can be found out in your TVs, it can be on your coolers, it can be in LED lightings, it can be in regulators, the list will be endless. So what TI has to offer in this particular segment? You must have heard recently about the value line series. Now all the value line series devices, those are coming up with the CapTouch IOs. What do we mean by CapTouch IOs? All the sensor pads which are there on the PCB, you will terminate straight into the IO pin. Each IO can be used as a capacitive touch sensing element, and then the piece of code which is running inside a microcontroller will detect a capacitive touch on that particular button or that particular sensor element. So how do we do this? This is done with the help of inbuilt schemate trigger inside the IO pin and a timer which is used inside the microcontroller. All this software, all this piece of code is available in form of libraries on our capacitive touch sensing website. You can log on to that and get the information. So value line device, MSP430 and a CapTouch IO, a unique proposition in terms of lower power with lower cost capacitive touch sensing. Now we have a demo application to show you how we have implemented one of the touch buttons inside the application. So here in this board you can see there are 5 touch buttons which are closely placed together so that they will form a slider for us, and there is a one key separate which will be acting as on off switch. There will be a corresponding LED glow when each key is being touched, and then you can see the brightness of this LED changing with respect to whatever actions we are performing on this particular board. Actions would be increasing brightness, decreasing brightness, and also putting the LED on and off. So here I am powering up this board. As this is on off key, this is turned on. I move my finger from here. You see the brightness has increased. If I do it reverse way, the brightness will be decreasing. At any point of time, you can use this as an on-off switch. You can decrease, you can increase the brightness. So this application itself can be used in multiple applications like dimmer or fan regulators. If you need any further information on this demo application or CapTouch IOs or value line MSP430 devices, you can get in touch with us on our India Product Information Center, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.